The spirit of Biafra is going to catch all Sabo in Biafra land. Biafra Liberation Army. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Barabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Before we go look into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand today, I want to remember you one thing. Make sure say you there follow or subscribe to this channel, very important. Let's go and look into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand though. So with the waka they go now, they say come video this one. Now we reach there, they come be saying na Biafra Liberation Army. He say that all Sabo wey dey for inside Biafra land say they come for there one by one. And they also send a message, give content creator where they can get them and carry their news. They do anyhow. Don't be smart, you know. This one tire me. Now I say, bring and come show my people. Wanna see what thing they go on. But before we go further, talk more about this video. I would like me to play the video for you. May you watch before we continue.
Some of you are still benefiting from Nigeria. You don't know anything about sovereignty. And it is same you that will come up on social media and talk nonsense. Men have abandoned their family, their loved one, and are inside bush fighting for the good of the land. Do you think we are here to joke? 3 things involved. As we are dealing with the terrorists in our land, we will also deal with saboteurs squarely in our land. And at the same time, we will cleanse all the evil they did in our land. We are doing these 3 things at the same time. To you, who will come to social media and talk nonsense, you are among the saboteurs. We will come for you. Our forefather have given us warning that saboteur is the dangerous thing. Enemy within is more dangerous than enemy outside. That we must deal with the enemy within squarely, no mercy. And when we finish with the enemy within, the one outside will be afraid. And then to conquer them, it's easy. To you that will come up and say, hey, why are we killing our brother? Why are we killing our brother? Why are we killing our brother? Who is the saboteur? And they're not our brother. Saboteur is our brother. And that is why we kill them. How many left the land of Egypt? How many Israelites left the land of Egypt? How many make it to the Canaan land? How many? Do you think we give a toast to you? Or what you say? It is not guaranteed that it is all Igbos or all Biafran that will make it to the land of the Biafra restoration. It is not guaranteed. Because all saboteurs must go down. Saboteur must go down. So you don't think that you eat your bread and have it back. Which means that you will not enjoy with Nigeria. And when you finish dancing with our enemy, and Biafra will come, and then you will still come and enjoy in Biafra. It can never work that way. You'll be surprised how we will take fish all of you out. And then you will understand very well that what we are doing is the spirit. Hear more. Now, what will they do? This dance is the dance of the spirit. This very dance is a dance of the spirit. And how the spirit will take fish all of you out for destruction will surprise the world. We keep our record. From the beginning till the end, we have record. The one we expose and the one we do not expose. Those we knew and the one we did not know, spirit will bring them to us. When we raise our fall up and knock it for ground, the land wake up. And all of you must be buried in the land of Biafra. Saboteurs and the enemies of Biafra. You have no life to live in the land of Biafra. And that is what you have to know. We go nowhere. If you know that lady that I display a picture, tell her that she have a very last chance. She have a very last chance. If I hear her saying pim concerning this struggle, we are coming for her. We are coming for you. And that same goes to all the content creators. We did not beg you to carry our news. We do not beg you to carry our news at all. And if you should carry our news, you must call a spare a spare. Define our news for our favor. Don't pain. Don't fancy it. You know quite well the risk involved in carrying our news. You know quite well. So don't seek favor. You know, if you talk raw truth, the terrorists will come for you. They will definitely come for you. So don't fancy to seek favor for them. It's better you remain quiet. We are doing... Have you not been hearing about media warrior? Have you not been hearing about Biafra Freedom News? We carry our news. So if your heart is not strong, don't carry it. But if you want to carry our news and twist it to deceive the innocent Biafrans, to twist it to deceive an illiterate Biafrans, to twist it to get money, then you understand that you are against the people. And we will come for you. Be one. I've told you, so that tomorrow you will not come. Why are we killing ourselves? Yes, we must kill ourselves. If my brother collide with the enemy to kill me, and I have a chance for against him first, it's not my brother, it's my enemy. You don't know that? Are you telling me that if I meet a Bubagu, whatever name they call them, on the road, I will spare them because they are my enemy? Are you saying I should spare them because they are Igbo guy? Are you telling me that if I meet my brother, who is an Igbo man, among the military who bring gun to kill me, I should spare him? Has he done that way? Who does that? My brother that take a side of my enemy is my enemy. That person, even though is my blood brother from the same mama, from the same papa, who takes side from my enemy to come and kill me, from that day, he become my enemy. And if I catch him, I cannot spare him. Because your friend is the one that think good of you. Your friend is the one that wish you well. Immediately somebody wish you dead, it's no longer your friend. It becomes your enemy. Because life is survivor of the defeated. If you fail to fight for your life, they will take your life away from you without your permission, and you will die for nothing. We do not die and resurrect to die again. We have come to restore what we die for, and that is Biafra, and nothing but Biafra. And anybody who thinks he can stand on our way to stop us, step forward. Let's see what you carry. But what I will assure you is, at the end of this struggle, Biafra must be emerged as a free nation. Biafra must be free. A lot of people is asking me question. Is it true that Nnamdi KANU have abandoned the struggle? Is it true this? I explained a little last night. Let me define it again to you. Nnamdi KANU, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, the commander-in-chief of ESN, the master of Mazi Simon Ekpa, he said, and I quote, if I ever want the think, not talk yet, conceive in my heart to drop the restoration of Biafra, may Chukwu Kikabiama strike him dead. That is one. And he's also say, if I ever say it from my mouth that there is hard and they do it. There is hard and they do it. May we leave that side where he was going before and then want to change the narrative. He said, let the next person by his side shoot him dead. So, we have taken an oath to restore Biafra. And even Nnamdi KANU or Simon Ekpa or anybody cannot stop it. The reason why I mention these two people are because they are on the front run now. If Nnamdi KANU come out tomorrow and say, oh, they have seen the reason to make a new Nigeria, let's drop the restoration of Biafra. From that moment, it becomes our #1 target. And if I see him, I will kill him.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, no be small thing, no. Now wait till they talk for this video, no be small thing. But we go leave our people more na talk put for this matter. Tell us what you think for comment section. Leave your own opinion for that side. More talk about them. Because now as we do them now, no be everything they talk put. Now they talk put to we leave our people, may they contribute to put for comment section. We will see you for the next update and share this video. You get why.